How to install programs on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install programs on your Windows 11. To do so, you can use the control panel. Simply click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and then here search for control panel. Simply click on it and then you will be presented with this pop-up. Here make sure the category option is selected at the top right. Once you select it, here now locate the programs option and then there you will be able to see the install a program option. Simply click on this install a program link and then you will be redirected to this page and then you will be taken to this page. Now from here choose the program that you would like to install. Once you find the program that you would like to install, simply right click on it and then you will be able to see this install button. Simply click on this install and then wait for a few seconds. Here a pop-up will appear again. Click on yes button to confirm it. You will see you have successfully installed or removed this program from your Windows 11. You'll also be able to remove or uninstall programs on Windows 11 by searching in the settings application or in the search bar at the bottom. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete or uninstall programs on your Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.